Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you how to start a detailing business for less than the cost of this pen. Now, this is a special pen, it's a Mont Blanc, but that means the detailing business is only going to cost you $200. That's right, $200 startup cost. I'm going to show you how to be profitable from day one. Don't listen to these guys that say you need a big fancy van, all the nicest tools, all the nicest products. We're going to get started and be profitable from day one, and I'll show you how to work your way up to have that nice van, to have the nice tools. But would you rather be profitable and be making money from day one or have all the nice tools? Personally, me, I want to profit. That's how I did my business. That's how you can do yours. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's jump into it. So first off right here, guys, what I want to show you is this spreadsheet that I put together for you. Now it's going to be available for download in the description. Just click the link. It's free. I'm not charging anybody for this, but you're going to open it up, and what you're going to see here is products you need. That's the first page. I kept this super simple, super basic. It's all laid out. So you have your car wash, you have your wax, your glass cleaner, your exterior detailer, your all-purpose cleaner, your interior detailer, and your leather conditioner. Now, if you're already lost, don't worry. Later on, we're going to go through how to use these things, what they are, where you can use them so that you don't damage any vehicles. But for now, this is all you need to know. Just bear with me and keep watching. Don't stress over it. We're going to go through it together. So right here, you have your prices listed. And then on the other side, these are all links. So to order, all you do is click on it. It's going to open it up. You'll see right here, it's going to load. Boom, right there. And you can order it. I've found all of the cheapest prices. So there's going to be some different places to order from. So for example, you're going to get your wax from JB Tools. That's because that is going to be the best place to order this wax for the cheapest price. So I'm not only looking out for good products, but I'm also going to get you a good price. So when you're starting out, you're not going to be buying everything in gallons. What you are going to buy in a gallon is this all-purpose cleaner. The stuff is great. You're going to use it for probably, I would say 40% of the work you do on your detailing, if not more. It's got so many applications. It's in the name there. So your total for products is just $66.43. You can see that down here. That is nothing, guys. Nothing. When you're talking about starting a detailing business, charging $200 a detail, and you're only spending $66.43 on products, and that's going to last you multiple cars, right? That all-purpose cleaner, for example, is going to last probably up to 80 cars or more, and it's only costing you $16. So great deal there. Next, we have the Tools tab. If you look down here at the bottom, we're going to click on that, and we have it broken down into needed equipment and then extra equipment. So the needed equipment is what you need to do the job right. The extra equipment is what's going to help you do it faster, easier. It's going to look more flashy, but really what you need is right here. So if you have the extra money, go ahead and get this stuff. And I'm going to talk a little bit how to get that cheaper here in just a minute, so stay with me. We're going to get to that. But first, you're going to need your hose, a brush, a microfiber towel, a pack of microfiber towels rather. If you have a Costco membership, that's awesome. If you don't, find somebody that has a Costco membership to help you out. Otherwise, you can order the Kirkland microfibers on Amazon. They're not as good of a deal. But if you know somebody that has a Costco membership, get these. They're the best. It's what we use still today in my company. You're going to need a good shop vac. Now, a lot of people are going to say, oh, go buy it brand new. You want to get the best tools. I'm not going to recommend that. If you cannot find it on somewhere like Facebook Marketplace, then go ahead and get the one I have linked here, okay? This is Foolproof, Home Depot. They're going to have it every time. It's a great shop vac. This one is another tool that I use still in my company today, so it's not going to go bad. You're going to keep using it. This is the one thing that I'm going to say invest in. It's $100, so it's almost half of your budget. It's $99, almost half your budget. Great deal though. It's going to last you a long time if you take care of it. And then you need 3 buckets. These are just simple buckets from Walmart. 5-gallon buckets, going to cost you $11. No problem there. Pressure washer down here in the extra equipment, super nice. If you get a pressure washer, you're going to want to get the foam cannon as well. And this is a great value foam cannon. It lasts a long time. Provides great foam, and just all around a good tool for the price. And then you'll want some wash mitts. Now, I threw these in on the extra because you don't have to have them, right? So I'm stripping this down to the bare bones to save you as much money as possible. You want to be profitable, make money. So the wash mitts right here are going to be a good thing to have, not totally necessary. So your total with the extras is $366, but without the extras, your equipment's only costing you $144. Okay, that's not even the price of a full detail. Not even the price of a full detail, guys. We'll go through pricing on the next video, and I'm going to put out there's a whole series coming for you, so I'm going to show you all the steps to get this going. I'm not going to just leave you hanging and buy the products and then not make any money. So we got the grand total of $210.86. Is this something you're willing to spend in order to gain your freedom, in order to make more money? Guys, you can make $100 an hour detailing. Now, you're not going to make that up front. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to be totally honest. You're not going to make $100. You might make $20, $25, $30 an hour, $50 an hour. But once you really get the ball rolling, you get your clientele built up, you add some higher dollar services, guys, you can make serious money here. And I'm also going to be releasing a program here in the next little bit that shows you how my business is structured. All you have to do is click buy, right? Just click buy, and I'm going to send you everything you need to systemize it, all the products you need, all the systems you need. It's great. That's coming soon, but this is where you need to start. And I'm giving this to you for free because I don't want you to go spend a bunch of money and get over your head and not be profitable for the first year. I want you to be profitable on the first day, okay? So if you spend only $210.86, you're going to be profitable on your first day. You book 2 full details at $200 each, you're going to be profitable on your first day. You book 2 full details at $150 each, you're going to be profitable. Everything else after that is profit, okay? It takes budgeting, it takes maintenance, but it's profit, guys. That is huge. Now, what I want to show you is how to use these products properly, because I don't want you to get to a job, have these products, have the tools, and then be lost. So I'm going to show a detail for you. I'm going to model it, how I would do it with just these products, how I did do it with just these products when I started, guys. You can do this too. Let's jump outside, and I'm going to show you how to get it done.